Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be doing a wash day treatment using the powerful Ayurvedic duo that is Neem and Fenugreek. So let's get into it. Today is wash day, but before I wash and deep condition my hair today, I proceeded to make the Neem and Fenugreek hair mask using neem powder and fenugreek water. This is a protein treatment to strengthen my hair, repair any damage and enhance hair growth. Neem has been hailed as one of the wonder plants for its medicinal properties. Although it's known for curing ailments, neem leaves are majorly beneficial to the hair. They moisturize the scalp, thereby combating dryness and reducing flakes. Fenugreek, on the other hand, is rich in protein and nicotinic acid, which help combat hair fall and dandruff. By using fenugreek alongside with neem, these two potent ingredients nourish your hair, promote hair growth, and reduce hair fall. washing off my Ayurvedic hair mask, I proceeded to wash my hair with a sulfate-free shampoo before I deep condition. As you can see, my hair is freshly washed and deep conditioned. I'm just going to detangle it now and moisturize my hair so that it can air dry smoothly. To watch our full air dry routine, click the link down below in the description box. Now my hair is set for air drying, which should take typically 1 to 2 hours. My hair already feels moisturized, shiny and soft due to the Ayurvedic hair mask. We tend to do a mask like this once every 2 weeks because the combo of neem and fenugreek are becoming a favorite of ours. So guys, it's come to the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and don't forget to comment down below if you enjoyed this Ayurvedic hair mask, what Ayurvedic hair mask you would like to try in the nearest future. Until then, thank you guys so much for watching and we'll see you in our next video. Bye!